It's the Athletic. Here's Vladimir Guerrero, Jr. Savali making his first start of the year. He joined the team as a free agent. Inside. And the count is 1-1.
Curveball kind of backed up on him there. I think it just slid out of the hand a little bit too soon.
Swing and a miss. Struck him out. One gone, bottom half of the first. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. now. He's got the power, but great contact skills. One of the best contact hitters in the game. On the ground to third. Dives, but it kicks off his glove.
No, he's safe.
The throw won't get there in time, and they don't get an out on the play. Man at first, nobody out. Now the Toronto four-hole hitter, Alejandro Kirk. The 0-2. In the air, left field. Soderstrom should have this one, and there's one down. So up next for Toronto, Jesus Sanchez. Payoff pitch. Runner takes off, so a walk puts runners at first and second. First and second, one out. Ernie Clement getting ready to hit. High fly ball lifted in the air, right field. He makes the grab. Runner tags at second. And now a wide throw to third. Well, Chris, through the early stages, he hasn't been very efficient in terms of the pitch count. He's going to need to get some quick outs if he's going to get deeper into this game. In the dirt, fires to third, but he's back. It is interesting, though, when you consider the way the game is run now. Doesn't even matter that much if your starter doesn't go that deep, because teams are really aggressively building their bullpens. And that is the third out of the inning. And a big spot here for Vladimir Guerrero Jr. 1 for 2. And he swings and misses at the initial offering.
Nope.
Two on, two outs.
Good spot for the hitter. Definitely has the advantage in this count with runners on. Look for him to be aggressive on this next pitch.
Check swing. He held up. 3 balls and a strike. And that'll load the bases. Challenge from behind the dish here. And that one did find the strike zone. Still 2 challenges left for them. Swing and a high fly ball left field. He's got it. That is the inning. 3 walks in the inning, but they couldn't make him pay. First and second, 1 out. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. next up for the Blue Jays. 1 for 3.
Ball that's outside.
Could use a ground ball here. Something in the infield. Runner at first base. Get 2. Get out of this.
Two on, 1 out.
Way to lay off that pitch down.
Next one misses. Ball 3. Tap foul at the plate. That's to third. Tags the runner. What a double play that was. Inning over. 1 out, man at first. Now it's the Toronto designated hitter, Vladimir Guerrero, Jr. Close, but called a ball. Ball 1.
Home plate umpires trying to tighten things up a little bit.
And now 2-0.
Good spot there, but didn't get the strike at the knees, and doesn't seem too convinced by the call out there on the mound as he tries to get a better sense of the umpire strike zone.
Swing and a drive. This one is crushed. No doubt about it. And here in the late stages, they had the lead. And they've rallied from 3 back. It's 6-5.
You're not going to be able to wipe the smile off his face for a while, Boog. He just changed the game.
Can be pretty dangerous when you fall behind in the count 2-0. You've still got to try to find a way to keep that hitter off balance. Well, he wasn't able to do it there. The hitter did a nice job of turning that pitch around, not missing it in a hitter's count.
So 2 down. Lawrence Butler up next for the A's. Swing and a ball lifted left field. And he's got it. Ball game. And the Blue Jays come in here and finish off a 3-game sweep.